Hello, and welcome to our tutorial on how to hang pinch-pleat curtains. Pinch-pleat curtains are a classic and elegant option that can add a touch of sophistication to any room. They are also functional, providing privacy and insulation to your home. In this video, we will see the process step by step, so you can easily hang your pinch-pleat curtains in your home. We will also discuss tips and tricks to achieve a professional look. Whether a beginner or an experienced DIYer, this tutorial will provide all the information you need to get the job done correctly. So, let's get started. Step-by-step guide for installing pinch-pleat curtains. Step 1. Measure your window. The first step in hanging pinch-pleat curtains is to measure your window. Measure the width of your window from one end to the other, and then measure the length from the top of the window to the bottom. These measurements will help you determine the size of the curtains you need to purchase. Step 2. Purchase curtains. Once you have your measurements, you can purchase your pinch-pleat curtains. Make sure to purchase curtains that are the correct size for your window and have the appropriate number of pleats for the look you want. Step 3. Install curtain rod. The next step is to install the curtain rod. You will need to determine the placement of the rod and then install it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Be sure to use the appropriate hardware for your wall type. It's essential to ensure the rod is level and straight before installing it. You can use a level tool to check whether the rod is straight. You can also mark where you want to install the rod with a pencil, making it easier to position the rod. Once you have determined the placement, use the appropriate hardware to install the rod. Make sure the rod is securely mounted and can support the weight of the curtains. Step 4. Hang curtains. With the curtain rod in place, you can now hang your pinch-pleat curtains. Start by threading the curtain hooks through the pleats of the curtains and then hanging them on the rod. Be sure to space the hooks evenly along the rod and adjust the curtains to achieve the desired look. You can use a ruler or measuring tape to ensure that the hooks are spaced evenly. Step 5. Adjust pleats. Once the curtains are hanging, you can adjust the pleats to your liking. You can play with the pleats' fullness and adjust the rod's height to achieve the look you want. To adjust the fullness of the pleats, you can adjust the distance between the hooks or the position of the hooks on the rod. Moving the hooks closer together or further apart can create a more or less complete look. Also, you can adjust the height of the rod to create a more dramatic or subtle look. If you want to give the illusion of higher ceilings, you can hang the rod higher than the window frame. You can hang the rod closer to the window frame if you want more privacy. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to hang pinch-pleat curtains. We hope that you found the information in this video helpful and that you can hang your curtains successfully. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement and DIY tutorials.